I don't even know what to say. If you do this to a customer's trees, do the world a favor, sell your chainsaws, and turn yourself into a fucking wind chime. This is a fucking disgrace. I'm not sure what kind of fucking drugs people are on, but got somebody here that knows how to carve trees, does awesome work, and some fucked up tree company doing shit like this. Like this blows me away. Really nice chainsaw work. Like, look at this tree. Why not just cut the fucking thing down? Then you drive 50 feet and you see somebody's nice carvings.